Is investing in crypto your ticket to massive wealth or a financial disaster? With so much hype and risk surrounding cryptocurrencies, how do you know if it's worth it? Stick with me, because in the next 4 minutes, we'll break down the risks and rewards of investing in crypto so you can make smarter decisions in 2025. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Financially Savvy. I'm Belinda, and today we're talking about one of the hottest topics in investing, cryptocurrency. Whether you're a total beginner or someone who's been on the sidelines, you've probably heard stories about people turning a small investment into millions, or losing it all in a flash. In this video, we're going to explore both sides of the coin, the risks and the rewards, so you can decide if crypto investing is right for you. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more videos on crypto, investing, and building wealth. Now, let's jump in. Number 1. The big rewards of crypto. Let's start with the good stuff, the rewards. Here's why so many people are drawn to cryptocurrency. Massive growth potential. Bitcoin's price rose from 8 cents in 2010 to over $60,000 in recent years. Even altcoins like Ethereum have shown incredible growth. While the market is volatile, the long-term trend has been upward for major cryptocurrencies. Decentralization and freedom. Unlike traditional investments, crypto operates outside government control, giving you more freedom and independence over your money. Opportunities for passive income. You can earn rewards through staking, yield farming, and even lending crypto on platforms like Binance or Kraken. Low barrier to entry. Unlike real estate or other investments, you can start with as little as $10. However, with great reward comes great risk. Let's dive into that next. Number 2. The risks of crypto investing. Now, let's talk about the risks. Because crypto isn't all rainbows and rockets. Volatility. Prices can swing wildly. In 2022, Bitcoin dropped more than 50% in just a few months. If you're not prepared for the ups and downs, it can be nerve-wracking. Regulatory risks. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate crypto, and new laws could impact prices or even limit access to certain platforms. Scams and hacks. From Ponzi schemes to exchange hacks, the crypto space can be a breeding ground for fraud. In fact, over $4 billion was lost to crypto scams in recent years. Always double-check any investment opportunity and never share your private keys. Lack of knowledge. Many beginners dive in without understanding the basics, which can lead to poor decisions and losses. So how do you balance these risks with the rewards? Stick around, we're about to get into how to invest smartly. Number 3. How to manage crypto risks. To succeed in crypto investing, you need a plan. Here's how to manage the risks while chasing the rewards. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Treat crypto as a high-risk investment. Never put your rent money or emergency fund into it. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into one coin. Spread your investments across different assets, including stocks, ETFs, or even real estate. Secure your assets. Use cold wallets like Ledger or Trezor to store your crypto offline, and always enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on exchanges. Stay educated. Follow trusted crypto news sources like CoinDesk or CryptoSlate, and keep learning about blockchain technology. Knowledge is your best defense against bad decisions. Number 4. Is crypto right for you? So, is investing in crypto worth it? That depends on you. If you're someone who can handle risk and is willing to take the time to learn, crypto could be an exciting addition to your portfolio. But if market volatility keeps you up at night, it might not be the right choice. The key is to start small, stay informed, and always keep a balanced portfolio. Crypto is a long-term game. Don't let the hype or FOMO push you into rash decisions. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's thinking about getting into crypto. Got questions about crypto risks or rewards? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on crypto, investing, and building financial freedom. See you in the next one.